In this video, I will show you how to fix Adobe Acrobat Reader not opening. If your Adobe Acrobat Reader is not opening, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. The first one would require you to open your Task Manager. So on the Windows Start menu, search for Task Manager. Click on Task Manager and go ahead and open that. Now in here, go ahead and end all of the Adobe related processes. So go ahead and scroll down and look for the Adobe Acrobat Reader process. Now once you found that, go ahead and click on that and click on that End Task button at the bottom right of this pop-up. Now another thing that you can do is to disable compatibility mode. So what you'll need to do to be able to disable compatibility mode is to go ahead and right click on the Acrobat shortcut. Now in here, click on Properties. And on Properties, go ahead and click on Compatibility and uncheck Run this program in compatibility mode. Now, the last option that you have is to go ahead and reinstall Acrobat. So if all of the mentioned solution doesn't work, you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the Adobe Acrobat Reader application into your PC. And that's basically how you can fix Adobe Acrobat Reader not opening. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.